Each action should be judged on its ability to bring about the greatest happiness for the greatest number. Act utilitarianism states that we must first consider the consequences of our actions, and from that make an appropriate choice that would then generate the greatest amount of happiness for the greatest amount of people involved. Rule utilitarianism involves establishing general principles that inform public and private behaviour. These rules promote the happiness of the greatest number and should be used when making ethical decisions. This is known as rule utilitarianism. Rules should be formulated first based on utilitarianism principles. The individual can then judge whether specific acts are acceptable. Rule utilitarianism proposes that we consider the practical consequences of our actions before carrying it out, not to assess situations as if it were new, but to follow rules that have been established according to the principle of utility. The differences between act and rule is that the acts think of the consequences and rule utilitarianism is based on the following of the rules of the utility principle. The strong form of the theory maintains the rules established through the application of utilitarian principles should never be broken. The weak version tries to allow for the possibility that those same utilitarianism principles can take precedence in a particular situation over a general rule. However, the rule would still form part of the decision-making process.